Okay guys, so get ready because things have changed in the email world. So since February 2024, major players like Gmail, Yahoo and AOL have changed how they handle your emails. So I know this sounds a little bit scary, right? But it's actually a good thing. It's a very good thing actually. These changes are focused on making sure that only the good stuffs are getting through, and this will protect obviously yourself and your subscribers as well. So why the first? Well, it boils down to three things. So the first one is trust, obviously. So they want to make sure that emails are coming from who they say they are. So this helps cut down on spams and phishing scams, obviously. Second, we have user experience. So it's all about making inboxes less cluttered and giving your subscribers more control as well. And finally, we have deliverability as well. So the whole goal is to make sure that your carefully crafted campaigns actually reach the people we want them to. Now, as you know, on this channel, we love using Omnisend, and for many reasons. But in relation to these new changes that took place, what I really appreciate is how quickly they responded and how easy they made it for their users to make all the necessary changes by preparing a wizard that takes customers through all these steps so they can easily update what's needed on their end. Now, the first and most important change to apply is your domain. So for this, simply go to the Omnisend website, go to your login section here, log into your account. So from here, going to head to the profile section here, and we're going to go to store settings. And right here by the side, as you can see, sender domains. So click on this. And right here, as you can see, we already have one, learnwithmrweb.com, which is verified. Now, if you don't have one, you have to add a sender domain, which will be added here. And then you'll have to verify each and every one of them, okay? So how can you do so? It's very easy. Again, by the side here, click on those three dots and you have verify. And this is all the information, domain authentication. So here you will be provided with the generated SPF, DKIM and DMARC records. So if you don't know how to do this yourself, you can always contact your hosting company, your registrar, who can insert those for you. Otherwise, let me show you very quickly how this works with hosting or hosting as an example. Very good, so I'm now logged in into my hosting account. I go to the domain section. As you can see, I have a few here. And the one we're interested in is this one here, learnwithmrweb.com. We're going to manage this now. And right here by the side, as you can see, you have DNS and name servers. Click on that. And now we can add any DNS record that we want. So back to our Omnisend account. So we go here. As you can see, the first one is the SPF, which is basically a TXT record. And this is the value. So copy this value here, go back here, and we're going to add a TXT record. So scroll down, select TXT. The name remains the same. Add your value here and change the TTL to 60 and then simply add the record. Now, clearly, because my domain is already verified, as you can see, I've added those TXT records already, and then you have a few different ones as well. Or as you can see, I have this one here, which is a TXT record, and this one, 3 in total, and you can see them right here on top. So this is basically how you can add your TXT records and have your domain name verified. So shared domains were okay before, but now they're going to be less reliable. So what's the difference between a shared domain and a custom domain? Well, consider a custom domain like an actual physical address, like in your own house, instead of a PO box. Okay, so next is reputation check time. So you need to keep those spams complaints super low, and I mean super low, like under 0.3% low. So this shows big email providers that people actually want to hear from you. So the better your reputation, the smoother your emails will sail through. Okay, so now that we've defined that you need a custom domain, are there other steps you need to follow? Well, there are quite a few, you know, so here's a deeper checklist. So first, you will have to verify your domain. So this might sound complicated, but don't worry, Omnisend makes it super easy peasy. And they'll walk you through adding a little code to your website, basically proving that you own that domain name. After that, it's better to brand your emails as well, you know. So instead of using a generic name or whatever, make sure that the from address clearly shows your business name, and this way you will build trust. And then make unsubscribing super easy. We all have gone through the same process. You're sick and tired of receiving some emails. You want to make unsubscribe as easy as possible. That's basically the law, you know, it's good practice. So make the unsubscribe link impossible to miss, because happy subscribers are way less likely to hit the spam button. So why all these changes? Well, think of it as leveling up, not roadblocks, obviously. So if you slack on these changes, what this could mean that your emails are getting blocked, or worse, your reputation might be taking a hit as well, and nobody wants that. Now, the good news is Omnisend is here to help. So I have loads of different guides online and fantastic support if you get stuck. Now, let's tackle this together and make 2024 our best email marketing year ever. So what I'll do, as always, I'll leave all the relevant links in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.